Hello students, are you enjoying the learning? Yes, here I am Sunil Harinkhede, English Subject Assistant, Diet Gondia. Subject English, Grammar, and under this section, today we will learn about conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a part of speech. Yes. So, let's learn about it. Read the given sentences. Before getting more information about it, we will read given sentences. There is a mango tree and a temple near my home. You can play cricket or football. Tomorrow will holiday, but we have an extra class. So here and, or, and but, these words are highlighted. Again, we made delicious dish and we enjoy lot. So these underlined and highlighted words are and, or, but, and again and. Are they connecting something here? Yes. In first sentence, they connecting two words, two sentences. There is a mango tree and a temple. You can play cricket or football, connecting cricket and football to words. Yes, tomorrow will holiday. This is the sentence. But we have an extra class. This is another sentence. So they are connecting sentences, words and phrases. These words are. So let's see about these connecting words. These connecting words are conjunction. Dear students, do you know junction? Gondia Junction, Nagpur Junction means that place from two or more than two trains come together, depart together. Yeah. So this place is called junction. So in this way, the words which connects two sentences, two phrases, they are also the junction. So let's see. Conjunction are words that they are used to connect words, phrases, clauses or sentences. They are connecting. A conjunction is a word which merely joins together sentences and sometimes the words. Means conjunction joins the words. How? Greek and pink. Green and pink are my favorite colors. Meena is poor but honest girl. So here Greek, green and pink, these are the two words, and with the help of and we connect them, we join them. Meena is poor and honest. So here honest and poor, these are the two words we connect with but. You can enjoy apples or bananas. So apples and bananas are the words and we join with word or. So here and, but, or, these are the conjunction and they join the words. Join two phrases. You can jump into the water or climb on the tree. Into the water or climb on the tree. So these are two phrases and joins with or. Stay home and stay safe. So stay home is a phrase, stay safe is another phrase, and we join with and. Hamid is a nice dancer as well as a good singer. Means a nice dancer, a good singer, these are the phrases, and we join with as. Now join two sentences. Let's see how. Tukaram completed his homework and he went to school. Here we have two sentences. The first one is Tukaram completed his homework, and the second, he went to school, but with and. We join together. Yes. Kavya reached the platform, but train was not there. Here also two sentences, and we join with this conjunction and but. This is the place where we met yesterday. Means this is the sentence, this is a place, and second sentence, we met yesterday. So these are two sentences we joins together. Now conjunction joins two sentences and often make them compact or compress the sentence. How? Let's see. MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli are good batsmen. So these are two sentences how they are compact by and. And now my students are clever but lazy. So here we have two sentences and but, these are two conjunctions. How they compact these sentences, let's see. Without compact, these sentences are MS Dhoni is a good batsman and Virat Kohli is good batsman. So these are the two sentences, but with and we made the sentence MS Dhoni and Virat Kohli are good batsmen. Another sentence, my students are clever but lazy, and without compact it is my students are clever and they are lazy. So this is the one function of conjunction. Thank you guys. In this way, today we learn about how conjunction functions, yes, and how it works. Thank you guys for watching this. In next video, we will see more information about conjunction.